Hi. Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 frequently asked questions on forklift batteries. Before we dive in, the entire team at Angus Lift Trucks would like to thank you for watching this video. We are a well-established forklift truck company in the Midlands, with over 30 years of experience in providing services from forklift hire, sales, maintenance, and repairs, to training on all types of forklifts. We are also accredited and provide CPC and first aid training. Our experts are always on hand for free, no obligation quotes at our shops in Hinckley, Leicestershire, and Ilkeston, Derbyshire. Of course, do share and like this video, it really motivates us to do more similar videos. Without further ado, let's dive in. 1. How long do forklift batteries last? Depending on the type of battery, a well-maintained forklift battery can last for years. The three main types of forklift batteries are lithium-ion, absorbed glass mat, AGM, and lead-acid batteries. If you don't cycle a lead-acid battery properly, it will wear out faster. 2. How many volts is a forklift battery? Forklift batteries are usually either 6 or 12 volts. 3. Why do forklift batteries explode? Forklift batteries rarely explode when maintained and used properly. When charred or serviced in a dangerous fashion or by some chinless wonder, that's when things go wrong and the battery may explode. 4. How long do electric forklift batteries last? A forklift battery can easily last for 3 years or more. A well-maintained battery may last longer than 5 years. 5. How much do forklift batteries weigh? A forklift battery can be quite heavy. Lithium-ion batteries may weigh 12 to 15 kilos or more. Lead-acid batteries might weigh 30 kilos or more. So, to wrap up, these are only 5 of the many FAQs on forklift batteries. If you are looking for a more comprehensive understanding of the different types of forklift batteries and how to maintain them, do have a look at our detailed article on forklift batteries and their maintenance, a complete guide, which includes detailed information and many practical tips. See the link in the description. Of course, if you are looking for more videos on all things forklifts, from the funniest forklift jokes to theory test questions forklift drivers often get wrong, do subscribe to our channel and like or share our video. Do check out some of the most popular articles on our blog. See links in the description. Finally, if you consider hiring a forklift, buying a new or a used one, jumping on a new maintenance contract, or training on any type of forklift or CPC training, do give our team a call.